Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be solving this question on definite integral. Now, our question says that we are to evaluate 3x minus 2 all raised to power 5 with respect to the x. We're evaluating it between 3 and 1. Now, I want to use substitution method because I have a linear expression which I can represent with u. I'll say let u equals 3x minus 2. So if u is equals to 3x minus 2, I can differentiate this expression so that du dx will be the same thing as 3. Remember that when you are differentiating, if y is equals to ax raised to power n, my dy dx is equals to anx raised to power n minus 1. Now this here implies that my dx is the same thing as du over 3. So I can come into my main equation and write my main equation this way. I have 3, I have 1. Here is 3x minus 2 all raised to power 5 dx can be rewritten as between 3 and 1. Here will be u. Since I've said let u equals 3x raised minus 2, then this will be u raised to power 5. And my dx now, I can represent it with du over 3. I've not finished. I can still pick this 3 and bring it outside so that I cannot represent it as 1 all over 3. I'm integrating u raised to power 5 between 3 and 1 with respect to du. On integrating, this should become 1 all over 3 u raised to power 6 over 6 gyrating between 3 and 1. Don't forget that if I have y is equal to the integral of ax raised to power n, this will be the same thing as ax raised to power n plus 1 all over n plus 1. That was where I got my 6 from. My 6 is from 5 plus 1, which is 6, and 5 plus 1, which is 6. So that my total expression here, y, now is the same thing as 1 all over 18 all raised to power u raised to power 6. Remember that our u is 3x minus 2. That's 3x minus 2 gyrating between 3 and 1. So that y now will be the same thing as 1 over 18. I have my big bracket, 3 into 3 minus 2 minus 3 into 1 minus 2. So I can close this and introduce the big bracket. So that I can rewrite this as y now will be equals to 1 all over 18 into 3 into 3, that's 9. 9 minus 2, that's 7. Oh, I omitted something. I omitted something very important. My 3 minus 2 here is raised to power 6. Please don't forget that. So this is raised to power 6, and this also is raised to power 6. So that this will be 7 raised to power 6 minus 1 raised to power 6. So that my y now will be equals to 1 all over 18 into 7 raised to power 6. 7 raised to power 6 from my calculator is the same thing as 117,649, and 1 raised to power 6 obviously is 1 minus 1. Now let's create more space so that my y now is the same thing as 1 all over 18 into 117,649 minus 1, that's 117,648. Now times 1 over 18, obviously y is the same thing as 6536 from my calculator. Now I hope you understood how I went about integrating. For further explanation, I'll place a link to our lessons on calculus.